Hi guys, it's Kashem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have this. It's just a little box here, but what's inside of it? It's a Plosino fishing rod and reel combos. And just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. However, Plosino had provided the product for a review. I ordered this for my personal use. So let's see what I get here. Two things in here that are taped together. Yeah, this one says fishing reel. And this is a fishing rod. Oh, that's interesting. Different than the other one. Just I imagine. It's actually wrapped in plastic. It's pretty cool actually. I thought it was going to be the same thing as all these other ones that I have checked out and used before. That's pretty cool actually. I thought it was going to be the same things as all these other ones that I have checked out and used before. That's actually not bad. Most of the telescopic side get real thick down here. This is kind of nice. It's 6.89 feet, near about 7 feet rod. If you can see that, Losino, pair 03, 2.1 meter, medium action. It's 2.1 meter medium action. If you can see that, I'm impressed by that. This is actually pretty cool. Most of the telescope what I get, it's like using an ultralight because they are so flimsy. Not bad. I am impressed by that. Yes, I like it. Take a look at the reel. The rod is impressing me that much. Let's see the reel. Just interesting. Very interesting. Very smooth. Very smooth. Believe me. Very smooth. I like it. Both sides. Yeah. At the forward and reverse. Backward. Very interesting. Both sides working. It's very smooth. I like it. Oh, that's interesting. It's fishing rod hook keeper. It's fishing rod hook keeper. It's very smooth. Really, I like it. It's very smooth. I like it. This rod and reel are nicely made. The reel looks very durable and constructed of mostly metal parts. It's very little plastic. Most of them are metal. Yes, I like this. Very nice. Excellent. The cover is great and necessary for protection. I like it. However, I did not accept for the reel to be such a high quality. I got HA 3000 model, if you can see that. So, things to keep in mind. You can't be rough or work too fast to set up the rod. Take one piece at a time to extend it out. You cannot use it rough. Oh, 6.8 feet, approximate 7 feet. I like this. Nice. The cover, great for protection, for safety protection. And I've got a pouch also. Next, the rod is fold down to about 8 feet in size and extend to 6.8 inch, the size I bought. Overall, I like this combo because I can put it in my travel bag. I can put it in a backpack. Great bill for price also. I would recommend for any beginner or intermediate. Hit the thumbs up if you find this video informative, and don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Bye.